In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Sendwave to Nigeria. Whether you're helping family, supporting a business, or just lending a hand to friends, sending money internationally can be a lifesaver, and with Sendwave, it's made simple and quick. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide so you can send money effortlessly. First, make your way to the Sendwave app. Once you're in, locate the country flag at the upper right corner of the home screen. Tap on it and look for the Nigerian flag from the list of countries. Selecting Nigeria ensures that you're directing your funds to the right destination, facilitating a smooth transaction from the start. Next, you'll need to enter some personal information. This includes your name, date of birth, the purpose of the account, billing address, zip code, city, and state. Accurate information here is critical for legal compliance, so double check that everything is up to date. Hit finish, and you're halfway there. Now, select your primary reasons for making the transfer. Whether it's for family support, personal savings, or business-related transactions, indicating the purpose helps streamline your account settings and customize your experience with Sendwave. Following this, click on Continue to move forward to the identity verification process. Verifying your identity is a safeguard for both you and the recipient, ensuring that all transactions are secure. Select your country and choose the document for verification. This could be your passport or another government-issued ID. Again, accuracy here is key for a smooth verification process. After selecting your document, click Continue. The application will guide you through the steps to verify your identity. It's user-friendly, but take your time to ensure each detail matches your documentation. Tap Start to initiate this verification process. Once you've verified your identity, click on Done. You're almost ready to send your money. Now, you need to record your face for additional security. Follow the prompts for starting the face recording. It's a quick process, but it enhances security, providing another level of trustworthiness to your transaction. Finally, after completing these steps, continue to the final section to send your money. Make sure that all details such as the amount and recipient's information are correct before you hit the send button. This last review ensures that everything proceeds as planned and your money ends up right where it's supposed to. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to use Sendwave to send money to Nigeria quickly and securely. Remember, whenever you have transactions that involve sensitive information or international transfers, taking time to ensure every detail is correct pays off. Thanks for watching and happy sending.